everyone! Let's attempt to make something delicious today.
Today we'll be making crispy tofu vegetable nuggets. For the ingredients, you will need a box of tofu, 1 celery stick, 1 onion and 1 bulb of garlic. Mix everything with 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of grounded coriander, half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of paprika, a pinch of pepper, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, half a tablespoon of mild curry powder. Once everything is mixed together, add in half a cup of corn flour and continue to mix. Heat up some oil and you're ready to fry. Fry the nuggets on both sides for around 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat until they're golden brown. When the nuggets are done, take them out and you can start frying the next batch. And that's how you make crispy tofu vegetable nuggets. Dip them in your favourite sauces and enjoy. Thanks for watching!